Hey everyone! Today we're opening the ASUS ROG Strix G16. For reliability notes, display measurements, full benchmarks, battery tests, and more lab data, check the detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Let's begin. To reach the components, we remove 11 screws and lift the bottom cover. We're using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The first screw is captive. It stays attached to the cover so you won't lose it. The second screw comes out. Place it on a magnetic tray to keep things tidy. Continue removing the remaining screws around the perimeter. The first 4 screws, including the captive one, use M2.5 threads and are 10 mm long. The other 7 are also M2.5 but 15 mm long. Use a thin plastic pick to pop the clips and release the bottom panel. Done. Here's that captive screw, still attached to the cover. Inside is the ROG Intelligent Cooling Tri-Fan system with an active vapor chamber and 7 heat pipes, plus liquid metal on both the CPU and the GPU. You get 2 M.22280 PCI Express 4x4 NVMe slots. Slot 1 is usually the boot drive. Slot 2 is perfect for expansion or RAID 0 or 1. Officially, that's up to 2 TB per slot, 4 TB total. Memory is fully upgradable with 2 DDR5 5600 slots, up to 64 GB total officially. We'll start with the battery. Its cable connector sits beneath the third fan. Gently unplug it before any further work. The battery is held by 4 screws. Remove them to lift the pack out safely. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page on laptopmedia.com. This model uses a 4-cell lithium polymer battery, model C41N2109, rated at 15.52 volts and 90 watt-hours. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Now we remove the SSD. Our unit uses a Micron 2500 1TB PCI Express 4 drive. You can check our in-depth review to see the benchmark results. The second M.2 slot is free, and the Wi-Fi card sits right beneath it. Both slots support up to 2 TB NVMe drives and can run together without blocking the wireless card. Use efficient coolers and avoid thick heat sinks that could press on the Wi-Fi module. Peel back the metallized shielding tape above the memory. You'll find 2 DDR5 5600 slots. Retail configs ship with 16 or 32 gigs, and you can upgrade later. We ordered a 32 GB configuration, and it arrived with 2 Samsung 16 GB sticks in dual channel. Reinstall the SSD, reconnect the battery, and press the bottom cover back into place, then return the screws in their original locations. That's the inside of the ASUS ROG Strix G16 version 2025. Tri-fan cooling, 2 RAM slots, 2 SSD slots, and a 90 watt-hour battery. For thermals under load, the exact display characteristics, and the full battery rundown, plus build quality notes, visit the detailed review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please subscribe.